Fuck that.
You got nothing?
Nothing at all. You can check me, bro.
You got drop something over there? You dropped something over there.
I ain't gonna lie.
You dropped it.
This what I did. I promise I ain't lying to you. I did like this. I had my money in my hand. When you did that, I had money in my hand. Nothing else, bro. I promise. I promise. We always hit stuff. No, we came right there to try to serve somebody and that. We came right there to try to get something.
You don't have any fun.
You ain't gotta check me. My name for my arrest. And you know me. You locked me up already.
So I can't check you?
No, my name. You want me to shook ass? Nah, cause y'all gave me done shit. Like, for real. Man, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all, sir. What y'all want from me, bro?
What did I lock you up? I don't remember that.
Huh? You did lock me up, bro.
Look alike.
You did lock me up, bro. I swear to God, bro. I had nothing, bro. I ain't want nothing, bro. Come on, man. Nigga, I'm not on nothing, bro. I'm not on nothing. What y'all want from me, bro? What you want? What you want? I'm just gonna go to jail, bro. Look, nothing.
What the hell you doing?
Stop! Yo, stop! No. Whoa! Stop fighting me! He's fighting me! Hey, stop! Stop! Stop fighting! He's fighting me! He's fighting me! Stop! Stop fighting! I don't have my hands. Stop! Stop fighting! Stop fighting me! 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 Yo! Stop fighting me! Stop! Stop fighting me! I'm not resisting! Yeah, I'm not. Okay.
Put your hands on your back! Hands!
No, no pepper spray, please. No pepper spray. No pepper, no! Please. Stop! Whatever y'all want. I peed on
Put your hands on your back! Put your hands on your back!
How? I will. How I will. I go on my back, sir. I will. I go on my back.
No.
I will.
No. Don't.
I ain't got nothing. I have nothing on me. I didn't have nothing on me.
Everyone, slow your hands down.
Already.
We got one detained.
I'm sorry.
No, you bit me. No, you bit me.
I'm out, bro.
We need officials in the scene for this course as well. Hey, secure the gun. Right there. Don't touch. Alright. Hey, can one of you help us flip him?
Ow, my damn.